In this video, I will show you how to pay with two cards on Amazon. Simply first of all log into your Amazon account and after that select the product that you want to purchase. So after that select the size and color. So here on the top right side you can see the buy now option. So if you want to add more items, simply add to cart. Now click on buy now. You will directly move to next page. So here what you need to do, first of all you have to add your shipping address. I have already added to my Amazon account, so simply just add the shipping address. So here choose a payment method. Here you can see we have a two card payment method. Like if you have a credit card or debit card, you can add here. If you have a gift card, you have to enter the code here and click on apply. So enter the credit card details here, and if you have a gift card, simply enter the code here and click on apply. So you can see we have a two card payment method, so you can buy from gift card or credit card or debit card. So after that, when you enter the method, after that click on use payment method. So in this way you can pay with two cards on Amazon.